be here and truly feel the excitement and the passion of the fans. There is no place else in the world like this.
I remember when I was a kid watching the film every time. It's special. I mean, it's the most important race in the world.
You know, it's a tough part where you feel the pressure start to come up.
You're going to see a titanic fight for 24 hours. It's going to be one of those great races.
We have a very close fight out there, which is very intense but good fun. Strategies are starting to play into the game now.
I've had to take a 10-second penalty for full crash yellow procedure. Still fighting for the wins here.
Unfortunately, we've just had a tyre puncher, but we've sent him out again, and we'll just keep taking over them laps and try and be nice and consistent.
We're taking the philosophy of really pacing ourselves, keeping the cars in good condition, and really focusing on being there in the final couple hours.
It's quite tricky between all manufacturers. It's really tight, but yeah, it's still a long way to go. We are currently, I think, P5, but soon P4.
Current position is P1 for 92. It's a really good fight in the GT class. Really nice to watch. Demanding for us, but cool for the spectators.